medication formula for children and infants. Now we have 3 formulas here, and these are here to help people calculate the dosage that young kids or even babies should be taking. Okay, so obviously they can't take the same dosage as adults, and that's where these formulas come in handy. Let's get right into an example. I'll just mention there's 3 different formulas, and each formula is used in different situations, and some people have preferences to which formula they would prefer to use. Okay, so what we're going to do for example 3, our example is John, and he's 4 years old and weighs 18 kilograms. And he needs to take some cough medicine. And we know that the adult dosage is 50 milligrams. We want to know what dosage he should take, right? And we're going to use just 2 of the formulas. We're going to use Young's rule and we're going to use Clark's rule, both of which can be used for the same situation here. So hopefully they'll come out with very similar results. Okay, so let's work this out. It's just basically substituting into a formula. So if we start with Young's rule, it says that the dosage equals age of child in years, so he's 4 years old, times the adult dosage, which is 50 milligrams, over the age of child in years, so over 4, plus 12. Alright, and just remembering when you have fractions, you should put the top and bottom in brackets when you work it out. Alright, 4 times 50 is 200, and 4 plus 12 is 16, and 200 divided 16 is 12.5. Alright, so if an adult takes 50 milligrams, John should only take 12.5 milligrams. Let's do the same thing, except with a different formula, Clark's rule. It's a fraction again. It's all over 70, so we'll put the 70 down the bottom. It says weight in kilograms, so 18 kilograms, times the adult dosage, which is 50 milligrams. Remembering we should put this part at the top in brackets. For fractions, we should work out the top and bottom before we divide it, which gives 900. So this is going to be 900 over 70, and 900 divided 70 is 12.9 milligrams, if I do that to 1 decimal place. And we can see that even though we've used 2 different formulas, and we have got 2 different results, they're very, very close, very, very similar results. So it looks like they work quite well.